Hello everyone, here we are unboxing Dionaea Muscipula Venus Flytrap Alien. This is a starter size plant which came from Flytrapstore. So I purchased this plant because it was in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest trap for a Venus flytrap. So one of the other reasons why I bought this, because first of all, it has a really cool name, Alien, and aliens exist, by the way. And I just really like how the trap looks. It looks really cool. Look at that. So yeah, this is a really cool cultivar. So I had to repot it to make it fit outside. So here's a quick update on the plant. So here it is, end of spring. The middle of summer. Now we're at the end of summer. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.